Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Xero files and invoices using exports, full guide step by step clearly. Open Xero and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to access your organization's financial data. Locate the business menu at the top of the page. Click on Invoices to view all your invoices. Select the invoices you want to back up. You can choose to export all invoices or filter them by date or status. Once you've made your selection, look for the export option. Choose the export format that suits your needs, typically CSV or PDF. Click Export to download the selected invoices to your computer. Navigate to the location where your file has been saved. Open the exported file to ensure that all information is correctly formatted. For backup of other files, return to the business menu. Click on Reports to access various financial reports. Choose the specific report you wish to export, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. After customizing the report settings, click on the Export button. Select your preferred file format for saving. Download the report and verify its contents. Repeat these steps for any additional reports you need to back up. To back up bank statements, go to the Accounting menu. Click on Bank Accounts to view your connected accounts. Select the bank account you need to export transactions from. Choose the History and Notes tab for transaction details. Click on Export to download the transactions. Select your desired file format and save the file to your computer. Check the exported file for any discrepancies. Make sure to store your backups in a secure location, such as cloud storage or an external hard drive. Schedule regular backups to ensure you have the latest information saved. By following these steps, you can effectively backup your Xero files and invoices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.